Life in Ethiopia. Capital city of Addis Abeba. People, population, history, culture, music, and lifestyle. Ethiopia, in the Horn of Africa, is a rugged, landlocked country split by the Great Rift Valley. With archaeological finds dating back more than 3 million years, it's a place of ancient culture. Among its important sites are Lalibela with its rock-cut Christian churches from the 12th to 13th centuries. Aksum is the ruins of an ancient city with obelisks, tombs, castles, and Our Lady, Mary of Zion Church. The land has a total area of 426,372 square miles. Ethiopia is one of the largest countries in Africa and the 27th biggest in the world. The highest mountain peak, Ras Dashan, is at 4,533 meters. There is no access to the open sea. It shares national borders with the 6 neighboring countries Djibouti, Eritrea, Kenya, Somalia, Sudan. The current population of Ethiopia is 123,417,921 as of June 2023. Addis Abeba is the capital and largest city of Ethiopia. It is located on a well-watered plateau surrounded by hills and mountains in the geographic center of the country. Sometimes referred to as the capital of Africa, Addis Abeba is a buzzing hub of economic, social, and political activity and home to such notable offices as the African Union and the United Nations Economic Commission for Africa. The government of Ethiopia is structured in the form of a federal parliamentary republic, whereby the Prime Minister is the head of government. Executive power is exercised by the government, while legislative power is vested in the parliament. The current Prime Minister is Abiy Ahmed Ali and the President is Sahel Work Zewde. Cushitic language speakers are believed to be the original inhabitants of Ethiopia. Ethiopia is Africa's oldest independent country. Apart from a 5-year occupation by Mussolini's Italy, it has never been colonized. As an organized political structure, ancient Ethiopia is thrice older the initially estimated age of 3,000 years and maybe even older than ancient Egypt. There are around 80 tribes or ethnic groups living in Ethiopia. Most of the population belongs to the Amhara or Oromo tribes. The Amhara people live in the Addis Ababa area and are very involved in governing the country and in fostering the economy. The 4 most spoken languages in Ethiopia are Oromo, Amharic, Somali, Tigrinya. The customs of Ethiopia continue to be deeply rooted in centuries of practice, and many aspects of daily life are ritualized. For example, there is a correct and traditional way to serve coffee, fold a dress, cut chicken, and greet people. The country also has its own ancient alphabet and calendar that are still in use. Religion is a major influence in Ethiopian life. Nearly half the population belongs to the Ethiopian Orthodox Church, but there is a also large Muslim population. Others adhere to an ancient form of Judaism. Eskista is a traditional Ethiopian cultural dance from the Amhara ethnic group performed by men, women, and children. It's known for its unique emphasis on intense shoulder movement, which it shares with the Shim dance of the Tigrinya people in neighboring Eritrea. Ethiopia's economy is based on agriculture, which accounts for 46% of GDP and 85% of total employment. Top exports of Ethiopia are coffee, gold, oily seeds, vegetables, and cut flowers. Nightlife in cities like Addis Ababa is energetic and diverse. Ethiopian cuisine is renowned for its rich flavors, with dishes like injera and dorawat captivating food lovers. Music holds a special place, from traditional melodies to the iconic Ethio, jazz fusion. Ethiopian athletes like Haile Gebrselassie and Tirunesh Dibaba have achieved global recognition, showcasing the nation's prowess in long-distance running. Ethiopia's landscapes are breathtaking, from the rugged mountains of Simien and Bale National Parks to the otherworldly Danakil Depression. Its wildlife includes the Ethiopian wolf, gelada baboon, and rare Walia ibex, while birdwatchers delight in endemic species like the Ethiopian lovebird. Historical and cultural attractions abound, such as the rock-hewn churches of Lalibela and the ancient ruins of Axum. The majestic Blue Nile Falls mesmerize with their power and beauty. Ethiopia offers an unforgettable experience with its natural wonders,